Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about Pauli's exclusive principle. So according to this Pauli's exclusive principle, no two electrons in an atom, no two electrons in an atom having same set of four quantum numbers. Same set of four quantum numbers. So according to this rule, so we have total four quantum numbers are there, that is principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and spin quantum numbers. So according to this rule, the electrons which belongs to the same orbital, so in that orbitals, so no two electrons are having the same set of these four quantum numbers, which means if the electrons are having these three quantum numbers, principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum numbers are same, but definitely the fourth quantum number, that is spin quantum number, is different. Okay, and it says that the maximum number of electrons, we can fill in orbital is only 2. So the maximum electrons we can fill it in a orbital is only 2. More than 2 electrons are not possible. So that rule is called Pauli's exclusive principle. So I will give one example. Suppose for example 2s orbital you take. So 2s orbital means this s subshell, it contains 2 electrons. We can fill only 2 electrons. So the maximum number of electrons in s subshell, we can fill only 2 electrons. So with opposite spin. So this first electron, I am writing the 4 quantum numbers. The first quantum number, principal quantum number, that second subshell it is, that's why principal quantum number is 2. For S subshell, azimuthal quantum number is 0. If L is equal to 0, definitely M value also 0. So it is clockwise direction, spin quantum number is plus half. In the same way, you can write the second electron also. So the principal quantum number for this 2, because it is a second shell. Azimuthal quantum number, because it is a S subshell, definitely it is 0. If L is equal to 0, magnetic quantum number also 0. But spin quantum number is, it is anti-clockwise direction, which means minus half. So when we observe this, both the electrons, principal quantum number is same, azimuthal quantum number is same, magnetic quantum number is same, but the fourth quantum number is different. So that rule is called Pauli's exclusive principle. So no two electrons in an orbital, no two electrons in an atom having the 4 set of quantum numbers. If 3 quantum numbers are same, definitely the fourth quantum number is different. So that rule is called Pauli's exclusive principle. So the one more important point belongs to Pauli's exclusive principle is, we can fill the maximum number of electrons in orbital is only 2. So the maximum accommodation of electrons in orbital is only 2, that with the opposite spin. So that rule is called Pauli's exclusive principle.